Today is February 20th, I believe, 1994. And here we are with our son Charles, captain of the boat, captain of Lady Sharon. He's on his maiden voyage here, doing a wonderful job. Just like flying an airplane, only we're in water. Anything to say, dear captain? Humma, humma, humma.
I got something to say.
Oh, here's Dad.
Since he got here, I get he's taking over. I'm in the back seat now. I don't get no attention or nothing.
Oh, too bad.
No respect. Yeah, no respect. Go to a doctor and tell him you got a hemorrhoid problem, and what does he do? He sticks his finger in your mouth. Holy Christ, no respect whatsoever.
Go to the same doctor and he says, you don't have a hemorrhoid problem, you're a perfect asshole.
Oh, there you go. You have an operation, huh?
Yeah.
I never figured out why did they call proctologists, doctors in the butt, and astronomers, guys in the, I think they got it mixed up. It should be astronomers. It should be asshole doctors, I think. Just an
Because it
opinion.
starts with an AS, all right?
And now for today's thought.
Yes.
Looks like they're getting ready to troll, and I'm
Well,
probably
we're going out
on
here on the ocean on the Cape Canaveral today, seeing where these fishing boats are going. Cape Canaveral, we just come out of. That's the Premier Atlantic boat, the one that we went over to the Bahamas with Bobby and Dion. And the Fantasy Cruise Line is
Well,
on.
all they can do is wave your way.
I don't want to.
Yeah, I think we better get right.
I lost it. Oh, boy. There's the Coast Guard boat. And there, let's see. That's the booster from the rocket last night that went off. The Coast Guard's protecting it, I guess. When nobody comes and steals it. Oh,
Not
boy.
too many people get to see those, right, Charles?
That's right.
Here is a big Navy, some kind of boat leaving Port Canaveral dock. Where he's going through the channel.
Probably picked up for spies.
Yeah. Yeah, confiscate my film. Boat just come out of Cape Canaveral. You hear our cow in the background. Oh, there's a channel there. We'll wake this boat. Will give us, I hope, not a big one. There we go. Big boat going to the channel. And there's Charles Gustafson relaxing on his day off. Yesterday we had him working on his day off, so today we gave him a rest.
There's nobody on board yet, probably.
This is, oh my husband's, this is a ghost ship going out to sea. Not
There's
too
our
bad
Army
of a wait.
containers in the back of that thing. See the name of it?
Antilles?
Can you see the name, honey?
Antilles.
Antilles, huh?
Oh, is that Antilles boat?
Antilles, yeah.
Antilles boat, yeah.
No, it's A-N. That's a big boat.
Big boat. Oh, we didn't get too big of a wake. They were very nice to us. We are coming back into port, and
It's a big wave.
the Princess Atlantic is leaving.
They're still pushing them.
The barge is pushing the boat out of port. There's the Atlantic. Barge is on his own. You hear the music in the background up on the bar. Come on. What are you doing there? Doesn't look like they got anybody on board.
Yeah. Not many people, huh?
What's that?
Oh, yeah. Him.
Look like very many people are going out on that boat. Well, I guess you gotta go out. Guess maybe with all the rainy weekend, maybe people decide not to go. There's the Carnival Fantasy boat. It's $249, 3 days trip over to the Bahamas. Lots of people on this boat compared to the big red boat. I don't know how many people it holds, but there's a lot of people up on deck there. A dolphin, yeah. Dolphin, yeah. Now that is parked there, and we are parked. This is the channel, Cape Canaveral, and we're going to cross. There's a little. This is the fantasy boat leaving dock. He just backed up all on his own, and here we are at Cape Canaveral. It is March 4th, 1994. There's the Premier Cruise Line Oceanic parked there. We're here because they're going to have a launch today. We're going to try to capture it on this movie camera here.
Wind so strong, one chair will blow.
Oh,
Right behind the mast.
I missed it.
See, a good one was low, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. He should have hollered, actually.
That's all right.
Home breakaway. Where you at?
Right down the chute now.
I think they are, yeah.
Yeah. There they are.
There they are.
There it is.
Great.
That's a critical time.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I could breathe a sigh of, that's one big sigh of relief.